a gain, does this mean that you think prices have bottomed out in terms of London, in terms of the Brexit concerns?
Well, looking at RightMove data, we've actually got 3 reasons to be cheerful this month. So you can see I'm smiling. Whether or not it's a short-lived smile with the twists and turns of Brexit still to come. But certainly seeing year-on-year price growth, first time for 2 years, buyers have been able to sit on the sidelines and judge quite correctly that prices might be cheaper in a year's time and therefore hang back. But now we're seeing this price growth. It may be the start of more momentum in the London market. People judging that now's a good time to buy, and perhaps prices are discounted. And even though there's still the uncertainty of Brexit to come, now might be a good time to buy, particularly while sellers are uncertain, as some buyers have been for the last couple of years.
Where are you seeing the best moves up? I mean, London, as anyone who's spent time there knows, has some incredibly diverse neighborhoods. Getting a place in Chelsea is a lot different than getting a place in Bexley Heath. What are we talking about in terms of the biggest gainers?
As you say, London is a myriad of local markets, and interestingly, it's zones 1 to 3 on the London Tube that have seen the greatest increases year on year, and they're obviously closer to the centre of London. So it's those prime central markets and easily commutable markets to employment in the centre of London that have seen the greatest year on year price growth. And interestingly, not only have we seen price growth, I said there's 3 reasons to be cheerful. Second one, around the monthly increase, a decrease of just 0.1% at this time of year. Sellers normally decrease their prices by far more. In fact, last year it was 3.1%. So this is actually the smallest monthly decrease since August 2006 at this time of year. So that's pre-credit crunch. So that's a sign of health or recovery, if not health, in the London housing market. And then the number of sales agreed up by 5.2% on the same month last year as well. So 3 reasons why there might be a recovery, possibly short-lived depending on Brexit outcome, but some 3 key positive signs in the London market.
Just quickly, how bad would a no-deal Brexit be, you think, for property prices?
Well, I think to a degree London's discounted already, and obviously it depends a lot on sterling with foreign buyers, but I think quite a few looking at these figures are judging that now might be a good time to buy because, for example, if there was certainty either way, sometimes that's better than uncertainty. So obviously people judging now might be a clever time to actually buy in the market.